They were kings of a vast empire. Their armies reached far, their wealth unmatched. But when the truth came to them, they turned away. This is the story of Qaom Tubbaʿ, a nation mentioned with mystery and warning in the Qur'an. Tubbaʿ was a title like Pharaoh or Caesar, given to the kings of the Himyarite kingdom in ancient Yemen. These kings ruled over parts of southern Arabia and even crossed into Africa. They were powerful, rich, and advanced in trade and architecture. Tubba's people controlled the trade routes of frankincense and myrrh. They built strong cities and had influence across the region. Some historians link them with the builders of Marib Dam and even rulers of Saba after its decline. But Allah sent prophets unto them, warning them to leave idol worship and follow the true path. Though some kings like Tubba embraced monotheism, many of the people rejected the truth. They mocked the prophets. They ridiculed the message. Their arrogance blinded them, just like the nations before them. The Qur'an doesn't detail their exact destruction, but warns in Surah Ad-Dukhan 44:37. Are they better, or the people of Tubba and those before them? We destroyed them, for indeed they were criminals. Allah's warning is clear. No nation is above the truth. Their wealth couldn't save them. Their armies couldn't protect them. When they ignored the truth, their power faded into dust. The people of Tubba are gone, but their lesson remains. Don't let power make you proud. Don't let comfort make you blind. When the truth comes, follow it.